What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I just wanted you guys to hear this. How boring she sounds.
And so that's really all they have left. They have a few things at my mother's house, but as far as like most of their stuff is gone. They had tons and tons and tons and tons of stuff. In my kids' room alone, they had 3 toddler beds and like I don't even want to try to count how many like toys and things they had.
So, as you guys can see from that 30-second little audio clip, she sounds so bored. Like, it's no wonder nobody's watching her, or was watching her. She is just so bored. She sounds bored, she looks bored, and honestly, no one wants to watch a bored person be boring, talk boringly, look bored, sound bored, and just talking about all this random boring stuff. So, I just really wanted you guys to hear that. Just so you know what I was talking about the other day. So, she always sounds bored. Like she's bored of anything, bored of just making videos. She sounds so bored that it's not even funny. So you guys, no one wants to watch someone boring, someone who looks bored, sounds bored. So take a shot every time I say bored. If you're not old enough, don't do that. If you're old enough, don't take shots of anything. If you are old enough, take shots every single time I say bored in this video. So I'm just gonna end it here because I just really want you guys to hear how bored she was and how bored she sounds. So when you're making YouTube videos, you actually have to be loose and charismatic and use your vocal range. So you can't just sit here and sound like this and talk like this. You actually have to make facial expressions and, do vocal inflections, showing that, yeah, you do actually, have range in your voice and have facial expressions and emotions, and people want someone that's entertaining and not boring, because no one wants to watch somebody who acts like they don't actually really want to do this. So, really, I'm officially going to end this video here. I just really wanted you guys to hear how she sounded. Not gonna say her name, because she's had her 15 minutes of fame, fame. You know how it is. So, I just, really wanted to show you guys how she sounds and how she looks. Most I wanted you guys to hear how she sounds, and now hear how I sound. Like, I have facial expressions. I'm actually moving my hands, making facial expressions, using voice inflections. So really, that's all I wanted to do, was just let you guys hear that little 30-second clip of her talking. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I don't want to make it too long like I did last night. Please don't forget to rate, comment, click that subscribe button, because I do make new videos every single day. Don't forget to smash that notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, and if today's your birthday, happy birthday. And I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.